How to fix Netflix black screen error on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome into the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can fix black screen error on Netflix. Well, if you're having the issue, first things first, you want to check out if the update is available in the Play Store or App Store. Simply head into your Play Store or App Store and search in for Netflix and check if the update is available. Now, if there is no any update, then what you can do is you can simply head into the settings of your device and then scroll down and head into apps section. Once you're on the apps, you want to find Netflix, and once you open up the Netflix page, all you got to do next is you want to simply go ahead and tap on storage, and there you can first clear the cache. Now, if clearing the cache doesn't help for Netflix, now here I'm on another app, but you want to open up Netflix, then you can clear the data as well. However, clearing the data will log you out of your account and remove any saved credentials as well. So it is like reinstalling the app. So make sure that you have backed up your account so that you can have access to it later on. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.